Hey, what's up guys, and welcome back to Just Wayne. I'm Wayne, and today we're going to be doing another LEGO speed build review style video. It's going to be this Animal Crossing Julian's birthday party set. But before we get into that, make sure to like and subscribe so you can be notified of future videos just like this one. Right, let's get into the build. Time for this speed build. For a little bit of information about the set, it was released on the 1st of March. It's 170 pieces and on lego.com it retails for £12.99. It's a really good looking little set and comes with the one minifigure. As I said at the beginning of the video, I'm going to do the speed build and a review also, but I didn't feel very qualified to do a review of this set as it's not really my forte. So I figured it would be best to hand over the reins to my daughters and let them do a review. So make sure to stay tuned to the end of the video and you can see their thoughts on it. And they also have a lot of fun with the durability test, which, spoiler alert, it doesn't go well. I am going to be doing another speed build and review of Cap'n Island's boat tour. That video will be coming very soon, so if you're not subscribed, make sure to subscribe so you can get notified of when that video is released. I'm also currently working on the telephone box from the LEGO Ideas range. Let me know in the comments which is your favourite part of this video. I know which bit mine is, and it's at the end of the video. There's nothing more satisfying than seeing your hard work in building your LEGO creation and it's smashing into loads of pieces. So I think it's time to get into the playability and let my girls do their review.
We have the Animal Crossing set right here and we are going to play with it and tell you some of the features. So you can open the tray, there's a twig inside it. Obviously you can take the stick out and then you can put this back on. And the unicorn does skate on the skateboard. And then you can open the presents, there's features inside. Only these are open, those are just lids and stuff on. We have this present here and it has a star, a coin and a microphone inside. And then I've not opened this one yet, but it's got stuff in. It's just a really big brick with details on.
Right girls, have you had fun?
Yeah.
Yeah?
The unicorn
is it a good set or is it a bad set?
Kind of good.
Kind of good. Not the best. What
Not the
thinking?
best set ever.
Not the best set ever.
I want to hold.
Oh, you want to do that one? Well, that's going to be the next video, so we will be doing that soon.
We'll be playing with that and that.
Yeah. Right, who's ready to do the durability test?
Yeah!
Ready to do the durability test? How are we going to do it?
We are going to accidentally knock it on the floor.
Go on then, let's go. Oh, would we say that was durable or not?
Yeah.
No. Right, so unfortunately the set didn't pass the durability test, but I hope you enjoyed it as much as we did, and I know the girls really enjoyed it too. But that's it from us for now guys, we'll see you on the next one. Bye for now.